Hi, I'm Dare.
I'm Jessica, and we're the Crusades.
We spent the last 4 years traveling around the world.
When we came back to the U.S., we renovated a 21-foot travel trailer.
We've been living full-time in it with our dog Missoula and cat Tulsa ever since.
We're always up for an adventure. Let's see where this one takes us.
Last night was raining all night long into the morning, but now we actually have a moment of calm. Alright, so we made it down to
Wadsworth Cove Beach. So it's in Christine, which is alongside the Penobscot Bay. So it really isn't too far from Ellsworth, which is kind of our home base for the summer.
Yeah, we haven't really explored this area yet. We've been kind of abandoning it, I feel like, and just going to the Bar Harbor area. So we thought, you know what, let's go check out close by. It's only a 37-minute drive here, so it's actually really nice and peaceful because it's supposed to rain and no one's here.
Don't drink it. Don't drink the water, Missoula. It's salty. Don't drink it. You having fun? Oh. Get the stick! Get it! Can't see it, but there is a house right up over here. He's got this whole plot of land like himself, I think. And it's beautiful. I'm so jealous. We saw the tree line from across the cove and we just thought it was really pretty, so we decided to take a walk on over. We're back down there. Alright, so we've really enjoyed walking around this area. It's really nice, but it's a little chilly. And we're going to go check out Dyce Lighthouse, which is actually like on the same road as here. It's just at the end of this peninsula. So let's go check it out. Let's go check. No, don't do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
This is a stupid transition, but okay. So we just showed the sign that says it, but this place is interesting because it is a private property, but the steps out on the cliffs are also owned by the Coast Guard, and there's a walking path. So you just kind of walk in their backyard to get to the cliffs and the view. So we were a little bit skeptical about going because we felt weird walking into someone's backyard, but we saw other people do it, so now we're doing it. All right, so we first tried going right and that leads nowhere. So at the Y, go left. All right, now we're at another Y, go left. Just always go left. Alright, so we made it down to the cliffs at the end of that really weird walking trail that we went through, and it's super cool. Just be careful walking around because it's pretty steep, but we're the only ones here, yet again.
another place we're all alone. Missoula. She's like leaning on Dare because she's a little scared being at the edge. She seeks comfort in his arms. Well, the rain has started, which means we're heading back to the trailer. So, at least I got a little bit done before it happens. I mean, instead of staying cooped up, it said it was going to rain at 1, and it's 2:18. So, we got an hour and 18 minutes.
We sure showed Mother Nature.
Yeah, so we'll see you guys back at the trailer. Or maybe not, I don't know. I don't know if we're going to film that or not, but that's where we're going.
That's what we're doing.
Alright, so we did not post last week because after the day that we went out, there was nothing else to do because it was raining. So
Terrible day.
yeah, it was terrible. So today we enjoyed time out on the lake here at the campground. We decided to just kind of disconnect and not bring the camera with us, but we're bringing you guys along this time, and we're going to head down to Surry, which is about a 15-minute drive from us.
I'm sorry, I looked really awkward in the background. We should do this again.
Yes, I am.
We're on a mission to find a Venus flytrap.
Yeah.
So far, we're not doing so well.
Alright, so all those plants and no Venus flytraps. So let's go get some ice cream. Alright, so we stop at Pug Nuts. It's in Surry, Maine, and I got a small strawberry cheesecake cone ice cream. Dare got a Maine blueberry. Oh my gosh. And then we got a little pup cup for Missoula because she is burning up, and it is peanut butter and bacon bit ice cream for the doggo. She's gonna love this. Alright, what's this? What's that? We got you some ice cream too, baby girl. She's a happy dog.
She sure is.
We thought we'd take our ice creams down to the water since it was literally right up the street from us. Happy pup. Missoula has been panting so much today because of the heat that she is loving life in the water right now.
Alright, so today we were going to go to Lemoyne State Park, and then we found out they weren't dog friendly, and then we were going to go to Lemoyne Beach, and they were, but we made some friends here who is traveling through, and they're leaving tomorrow, so we're going to actually go hang out on the lake again, a second day, so we'll actually take you guys this time. So, got our floaties. Oh! Shit!
Okay. Glad you didn't fall.
Let's start drinking.
Got our floaties ready. Got some drinks in the cooler. Oh my god, a bug just attacked me. It was a butterfly. And yeah, we're gonna be ready to go because it is hot. Alright, just dropped everything off at the dock. Gonna get ready to dive in. It is like 60 something degree water, but it feels so nice.
So hot out though.
It is.
Alright, so we are out on the lake with our new friends from Idaho that we met. Check them out. They have a YouTube channel as well called Morses Go Mobile. We'll link them below. But yeah, it's a beautiful day, and we're just having fun hanging out by the water. Alright, so we're hanging out with our friends I mentioned. Everyone say hi!
Hello!
You guys have a YouTube channel. What's it called?
Morses Go Mobile!
Check them out. Party.
YouTube channel.
This is your YouTube channel.
Oh. Good sir, can I ride?
You got it.
All right, so we are back at the trailer. We're all done hanging out by the water. We've actually been out for several hours today. And here's the pupper. She's so happy to be outside. Hi, Missoula. I'm sorry you got left alone. But yeah, we had a blast with our friends. They're actually heading to Vermont tomorrow, so we'll be going back to work. But they were awesome and gave us this paddleboard. Thanks, guys.
I'm speechless.
We'll definitely be using it.
I cannot thank the Morses enough. I've been wanting one of these for like 10 years.
Yeah, so we're definitely going to get some use out of this, but go check them out. We're going to link them below. And I know this video is a little bit all over the place from last weekend and this weekend, but we wanted to share some places we explored, plus some local stops here hanging out by the lake.
And this is what life on the road is all about. Really. It's all about no schedule, doing whatever you want, meeting new people and hanging out.
Especially the meeting new people.
Especially the meeting new people. Well, if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, take a little bell icon, let you guys know, and we'll see you guys next week.
See you guys.
When Missoula gets antsy, she turns into a big baby. So I have to rock her like a baby to calm her down.